tackling it here. So,
I do not know what how the chair will handle it, but certainly the resolution seeking the approval of Congress in the transfer of the shares of Ms. Latel from the present stockholders led by Mr. Escalante to Udena et al. This is the subject now of the resolution passed by the House and now pending before this committee. So this is an issue that this has to be resolved.
Sir, anong inclination nyo na decision? Are you
Sorry?
Are you inclined to turn down?
I don't even know what I do not even know what the committee report will be. So we await the committee report presented to us, and I'll make my decision when it gets to us. From my own perspective, medyo may nakikita tayong hindi pagsunod sa batas. Kaya isang konsiderasyon po yan kung pagdating ng committee.